Hello everyone! Welcome to Flyway Aviation. In today's lesson, we're going to break down one of the most important topics in aviation, the 6 basic flight instruments. These instruments help pilots navigate, control the aircraft, and ensure a safe flight. Our objective is to elevate your knowledge about these essential instruments, so make sure to watch the full video till the end to learn everything you need to know. Let's get started. Student pilots learn about these 6 essential flight instruments during their training in ground school. Understanding how they work is crucial for safe and accurate flying, both in training and beyond. Flying an aircraft depends on a pilot's ability to read and understand various instruments that provide crucial information about performance, orientation, and environmental conditions. For decades, pilots have relied on a standard set of 6 key instruments, often called the Basic 6 or the 6-pack. These instruments are essential for safe flight, especially in low visibility or when flying under instrument flight rules, also known as IFR. Let's take a closer look at these 6 vital instruments and how they work. Let's talk about the 6-pack flight instruments. These are the very first instruments student pilots learn to read and understand in the cockpit. They give you essential information for safe and accurate flying, especially when you're flying without outside visual references. The 6 instruments in this 6-pack are: 1 Airspeed Indicator. It shows how fast you're flying through the air. 2 Altimeter. This tells you your current altitude above sea level. 3 Attitude Indicator. Helps you stay level by showing the aircraft's orientation relative to the horizon. 4th, Heading Indicator. Displays your current heading or direction of flight. 5, Turn Coordinator. Indicates the rate of turn and helps with coordinated flight. 6, Vertical Speed Indicator. Shows whether you're climbing, descending, or level and at what rate. These instruments are critical to every pilot, especially during instrument flying, and mastering them is one of the first big steps in pilot training. The 6-pack refers to the 6 main flight instruments in an aircraft cockpit, arranged in 2 rows of 3. These include 3 pitot static system instruments and 3 gyroscopic instruments. Pilots undergo thorough training to understand how each instrument works and how to read them accurately. Mastery of these instruments is essential for safe, efficient, and precise flying under all conditions. Welcome on board. Before you take to the skies, let's take a closer look at each of the 6 essential flight instruments, how they work, and how to read them. Understanding these instruments is a crucial part of every pilot's training and the key to safe and confident flying. To begin, let's explore the 3 primary flight instruments that operate using the pitot static system. Starting with the top left corner, we have the Airspeed Indicator. On the top right, you'll find the Altimeter, and down on the bottom right is the Vertical Speed Indicator. These 3 instruments are all part of the pitot static system and are essential for monitoring the aircraft's performance during flight. Pitot static flight instruments detect pressure changes caused by the aircraft's movement through the air and are connected to the aircraft's pitot static system. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the pitot static flight instruments. Now let's move on and take a closer look at the gyroscopic instruments. Right in the center of the top row, we have the Attitude Indicator. It shows the aircraft's pitch and bank and helps you stay level, especially during instrument flying. In the bottom left corner, there's the Turn Coordinator. It tells you the rate of turn and helps ensure your turns are coordinated, not slipping or skidding. And in the middle of the bottom row, you'll find the Heading Indicator. This one displays the aircraft's heading and gives a more reliable reading than the magnetic compass, especially during turns. Together, these 3 gyroscopic instruments are essential for safe and stable flight, especially when flying without outside visual references. Now that we've clearly explained the 6 basic flight instruments, in our next video, we'll go deeper into how the 2 main systems behind them work, the pitot static system and the gyroscopic system. We'll explain how they function, what principles they rely on, and how they support the instruments that pilots depend on every single flight. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next lesson. Stay tuned to Flyway Aviation, and let's keep learning the skies together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.